Need to send an email in Gmail but don't know where to start. In the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to send an email using Gmail on your computer or laptop. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once Gmail opens, you will see your inbox. Step 2. Click Compose. Look at the top left corner Compose button. Click on it. A new email window will appear like this. You simply click on it. This is where you will create your message. Step 3. Enter recipient detail. In the to field, type email address of the person you want to send an email to. Make sure the email address is correct before continuing. Step 4. Add subject. Now click on the subject field, type a short title that explains about your email is about. For example, here I'm going to type meeting update or project details. Step 5. Write your message. In the large message box, type your email. Start with a greetings, write your message and finish your with name. Keep your email clear and professional. For example, here, hello sir or ma'am. Please find an attachment of meeting details. Then you enter your name like this. Step 6. Attach files. Need to send a file. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom and select your file which you want to upload. Step 7. Send email. Once everything looks good, click the blue send button and that's it. Your email has been sent successfully. And that's how to send an email in Gmail. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Hello Helper for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we're uploading this type of tutorials every day. So thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.